The Social Democratic and Labour Party is an Irish nationalist and social democratic political party in Northern Ireland. The SDLP currently has 12 MLAs in the Northern Ireland Assembly and 2 MPs in Westminster. The SDLP party platform advocates Irish reunification and the further devolution of powers, while Northern Ireland remains part of the United Kingdom. During the Troubles, the SDLP was the most popular Irish nationalist party in Northern Ireland, but since the Provisional IRA ceasefire in 1994, it has lost ground to the Republican Party Sinn Féin, which in 2001 became the more popular of the two parties for the first time. Established during the Troubles, a significant difference between the two parties was the SDLP's rejection of violence, in contrast to Sinn Féin's support for the Provisional IRA and physical force republicanism. Since February 2019, the SDLP have been in partnership with Fianna Fáil. The party was founded in August 1970 when 6 Stormont MPs and 1 senator, former members of the Republican Labour Party, the National Democratic Party, individual nationalists, former members of the Nationalist Party and members of the Northern Ireland Labour Party, joined to form a new party. The SDLP initially rejected the Nationalist Party's policy of abstentionism and sought to fight for civil rights within the Stormont system. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.